Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to another Real Talk Tuesday video. Now, I have spoken about this before, but I love saying this कि my favorite part of my job is कि एक दिन कभी दूसरे दिन जैसा नहीं होता है, एक महीना कभी दूसरे महीने जैसा नहीं होता है. We are sitting in the middle of 2004 already. Let's all silently scream for oh 2024. Before we go ahead, I think we should all collectively just silently scream about that.
भाई मजा आया.
Yeah, that's happening. But इस साल का जो पहला हाफ था was chaotic in the best way. I was shooting outdoors, I was writing, I was shuffling between many different things. We shot Mismatch, we shot a lot of other stuff. बहुत सारा travel हुआ. And for the past 1 month especially, life has again changed gears जहाँ पे मैं घर पे बैठ के काम कर रही हूँ. So a lot of work from home is happening, which is giving me flashbacks of how life was during lockdown. So I remember जब पिछले 1-1.5 महीने में मैंने घर से काम करना शुरू किया, I went from like meeting 20 people every day and traveling and being amongst everyone and like doing different things to literally just being at my desk, just my computer and me every day for hours just writing. Now I was working on Too Good to Be True, which is my romance novel, which will come out very soon with HarperCollins, or writing on 2 other very exciting writing projects, जिसके बारे में also I'll hopefully announce sometime this year soon. I realized that it's very important for me to have a work from home routine because one day you're active, next day you are not. Like it's just a landslide if you don't have a routine. And for someone like me, मैं बड़ी जल्दी आलसी और comfortable हो जाती हूँ. So here are 5 things I do to make sure that my work from home routine is healthy. Number 1 is morning stretches and meditation. जब आप घर से काम कर रहे होते हो, one of the things that I give myself a little bit ढील on is कि जब उठना है उठो. And by जब उठना है उठो, I don't mean 11 बजे उठो, although I did wake up at 10:30 today. लेकिन in general 7 बजे 8 बजे अगर मेरा मन नहीं है उठने का because working late the night before, or if I have a long day of working from home, I'll give myself that much buffer space कि चलो ठीक है 9 बजे उठ जाओ, 9:30. जब आपका मन करे, जब आपको लगता है कि नींद पूरी हो गई हो, तब उठो. Also for me, नींद सिर्फ इसी टाइम पे पूरी होती है because other days I'm running on 3 or 4 hours of sleep and I'm never sleeping for more than 6 to 7 hours. So I give myself that space. However, when I do wake up after like long bouts of sleep, I need like morning stretches and meditation to kind of snap out. क्योंकि जब आप घर से काम कर रहे हो तो this is my bed, this is my desk. I literally just get up, wash my face and sometimes sit down for a meeting. So that's very important. Make sure that you are doing your morning stretches. It can be very simple. Sometimes I'll just do 2 rounds of Surya Namaskars and that will wake me up. Meditation again, phases होते हैं. There was a time when I was meditating for 10 minutes every single morning. If I couldn't do it at home, I would do it in the car on my way to work. अभी वो थोड़ा सा मेरा डामाडोल चल रहा है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि at least 5 minutes I meditate, even if it's at my desk right before I log in and start working. That helps. Number 2 is dedicating a day for self-care. Honestly, जब घर से काम होता है, one of the things that I give up on like that is self-care. मैं चूज करूंगी कि आज नहीं कर रहा मन नहाने का, शाम को वर्कआउट करके फिर ही नहाएंगे, तो सारा दिन वैसे ही बैठे रहे. हफ्ते चले जाते हैं. I don't take care of my skin, I don't take care of my hair, I don't take care of my body, and eventually when there are days that you have to step out and go and meet people, it becomes a little bit of a hectic day. So I will always dedicate one day of the week as a self-care pamper day. मेरे लिए वो संडे होता है because in general सबकी छुट्टी होती है, तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा काम कम होता है, उस दिन मेरे को टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है. So I will do everything. I will scrub my face and my body. I'll do face masks. I'll do my LED treatments. I will make a call or make appointments if possible with my dermat. I'll keep that day for all these conversations. I will also have an everything shower, जिसके बारे में मैंने पहले भी एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ है Instagram पे. I will link it in the description. Go check it out. Where I will use my Gillette Venus and I will make sure that I am good to go. I absolutely love my weekly shaving routine because I know and also my job is very like आज कुछ नहीं है, कल 4 चीज़ें हो सकती है. So I like being ready for the week in general. That is why Sunday को I will do that. Also बहुत सारे DMs, बहुत सारे questions, जितनी बारी भी मैं ये videos डालती हूँ कि प्राजक्ता, doesn't that change the texture of your hair? Doesn't that make your skin rough? It really doesn't. I mean, I have been using the Gillette Venus for 15 years at least. मैं मेरे ख्याल से I'm gonna be 31 this year. But I think 10th, 11th standard, मतलब 16-17 साल की उम्र से I've been shaving, been using a razor as my hair removal technique.
And कोई भी hair removal method आपकी growth को alter नहीं करेगा. It depends. It's different from person to person. My favorite is the Venus Comfort Glide with soap bars. It makes my skin super smooth. So go ahead, yeah, use the Venus as often as you want and you don't have to worry if that's your chosen method.
Number 3, अगर आपके पास स्मार्ट वॉच है उसको पहनो, मेरी चार्ज हो रही है. Take all your calls while you walk. ये मैंने गुरप्रीत सिंह भसीन से सीखा है. GP's way of fitness, he's from my team by the way, or am I from his team? Either ways, his way of fitness is always walking when he's on a phone call, and I started doing that and my step count has just gone up. I went from about 4,000 steps in a day to 10,000 steps in a day because इतने सारे phone calls होते हैं. Anytime there's a phone call that is happening, anytime there is a discussion that is happening, I will get up from my desk and I will walk around. It's a great way of staying fit, also staying active while you're sitting at your desk for hours. Desk rotting. Number 4 is something that is very 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 important for my mental and my physical health. मैं बहुत सालों से इसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ and I really think you should do it if you haven't started doing it. जैसे मैं बोल रही थी, जब work from home होता है, it's very easy for us to actually just let go of a lot of things, a lot of routine, a lot of habits. मेरे लिए one of the things that I have not given myself an option to choose is workout 4 to 5 times a week. My gym is about 10 minutes from my house now. Some days मैं घर से सिर्फ जिम के लिए बाहर निकलती हूँ. इतना काम होता है कि मैं बस सारा दिन सुबह 11 बजे से लेकर रात को 1:30-2 बजे तक I'm at my desk. The only time I leave my desk is when I'm going to pee, I'm going to fill my water bottle or I'm going to the gym. Hydration is very important by the way, but ये मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. Work from home हो या out हो, you should just drink lots of water. Anyway, तो मेरे लिए जिम जाना is so much more, workout करना is so much more than just physical fitness. I depend on it for my mental well-being, and especially in these 2 months where I've been working from home, it's also an isolating process. I've said this before कि the one thing that I find the most challenging about writing especially is that it's such an isolating process. You're all by yourself. जैसे मैं कह रही थी, it's me and my computer. बस इतना ही होता है. घंटों तक मेरे कमरे में कोई नहीं आता है, मैं किसी से बात नहीं करती हूँ, मैं अपने मम्मा पापा के साथ रहती हूँ, लेकिन कई बार I literally just go say good night to them. That's it. I don't even see them sometimes because I've just been writing all day. Working out helps me stay mentally active, mentally fresh, and more productive. So agar this is not a part of your work from home routine, please make it a part. I try to do it 4 to 5 times a week. मुझे लगता है even if you do it 3 times a week, you're good. And number 5 and the most important one, avoid desk rotting. Now what is desk rotting? Desk rotting is जब आप अपने desk पे काम के अलावा भी बाकी सारी चीजें करते हो. जैसे for example, I will never eat my meals on my desk. I will never bring my lunch or my dinner or my evening snack and eat it at my desk while I'm working. I will step away and I will eat at the dining table, or I'll eat with mama baba or whatever it is. I will not do calls with friends or family or stuff at my workspace. I will step away because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि that helps your brain in dividing the space and understanding कि ये space is where you're productive and you're working and you're focused, and every time you want to disengage from that, you step away. And that has really helped me. मैं कई बार ऐसे करती थी जब मैं काम कर रही होती हूँ और मैं बोर हो गई हूँ, I'll just on my Mac I'll go and I'll call my sister or I'll call my friends and I'll talk to them through it and I'll go back. And then it was tougher for me to go back to that point of focus after kind of shifting. It's a very mental thing. I have tried this for very long and it really worked for me. So really you should try it. Avoid desk rotting. Don't do anything at your desk beyond your work. That's the point. I also try not to clutter my desk with things like food plates, coffee cups. I try to keep that place clean. Only things that I need on my desk उस पे होंगे. तो इस वक्त मेरे desk पे obviously my computer setup. I will have my iPad and I will have my notebook and a pen and there's a stand for my phone. That's it. कभी कभी मैं एक प्लांट रख देती हूँ just for company, but उसके अलावा I will not have anything else on my desk. When I sit down to write, I'll clear everything else. I'll make sure कि I don't keep coffee cups, water bottles, food things, wrappers तो है नहीं, पर plates वेट्स कभी नहीं होता है. So make sure that kind of discipline comes in. It really helps you stay uncluttered in your head. Alright, so that is my work from home routine. Tell me what you think about it. अगर इसके अलावा कोई चीज़ें हैं जो आप करते हो that help you in staying productive and creative and active and happier when you're working from home, please put in the comment section below and I will check it out. And everyone else will check it out. I'm gonna go now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should do that. It's free. I come up with new videos every Tuesday. And yeah, until we meet. Bye-bye.